You're welcome to my YouTube channel. If today is your first, please consider subscribing, and if you like this video, do give this video a big thumbs up, and don't forget to hit that notification bell below so that you'll be notified anytime I post new videos like this, because I'll be posting videos like this in the future. So in today's video, I'll be showing you how to cook vegetable yam. Vegetable yam is an African delicacy which is cooked with yam, vegetables, but in today's video I'll be using a green, this vegetable, and Ewedu. You can use other vegetables. You can use a water leaf, you can use a garden egg leaf, but for today's video I'll just be using these two vegetables. You can use a arira, the one they call arira in Igbo. So, but for the sake of this video, we'll just be using these two. So the first thing to do is to cook the yam. So guys, let's get right into the video to cook the yam. Things I need: you first add your onions. You may add lesser quantity of onions. I added this much because I like onions. So you fry your onions. Then the next thing to add is the Ukpaka. Then I'm adding my Ukpaka to the onions and red oil already on fire. It's looking delicious, guys. Remember, you've already added salt to your yam, so be careful at this stage not to over add, not to bring out the taste of the salt to be too much in your food. So be careful. So once you add your yam, the next thing you're gonna be adding here is your vegetables. But before that, I'm going to stir the yam together with the mixture. Then once I'm done with it, I add my Ewedu and still stir it. At this point that you're adding your vegetable, you don't allow the food to cook for long on fire, because your vegetable just need little heat. So don't overcook your vegetable, because you still want them to be green in color when you're done cooking. See, I'm stirring the whole thing together. My vegetables and the yam. The Ewedu gave the yam that drawing, because the Ewedu draws like okra. If you watch well, the yam, the dinner, so is the work of this Ewedu in this food. So guys, if you like this method of cooking vegetable yam, do try it at your home and leave a comment below. Leave a comment below about what you think about this recipe. And guys, if you like the video, share it with your friends, share it on any platform, and don't forget to give the video a big thumbs up by clicking on the like button below, and please, if not subscribed to my channel, do subscribe and hit that notification bell to be notified anytime I post new videos like this. Guys, thank you for watching and bye. See you in the next video.